The state is celebrating the eve of Magh Bihu festival, the festival which is associated with feasting and merry-making among the people of Assam, is witnessing a huge rush at fish markets across the state as the morning of Uruka is symbolic with buying fish on the occasion. Huge crowds have been witnessed at fish markets right from the early morning hours as people jostled with each other to buy the best variety of fish available in the markets. And what is more is that like each year, the fish prices have skyrocketed on Uruka morning, with most whole fish being sold somewhere between the margin of rupees 10,000 to rupees 20,000, and some fish prices have even crossed that mark. And a fish market in Tezpur is buzz since the wee hours today as people gathered in large numbers to buy fish. Huge side fish of different varieties are being sold at around rates of rupees 1,000 to rupees 1,500 per kilogram. And a fish market in Assam's Nagarbera is also witnessing huge crowd turning up on Uruka morning in order to enjoy some fish buying session. People are dishing out big bucks to take home the big fish, which can be the crowning jewel of their respective feasts later tonight. And my colleague Ripunjay Das is joining us live from the markets. Well, Ripunjay, it's Uruka morning today. First of all, festive greetings to you. Well, Ripunjay, we know that people are thronging the markets from early in the morning. Ripunjay, over to you for our viewers to have a glimpse of what is happening, to have an idea of the mood there. Ripunjay.
Yes, Amrita, first of all, festive greetings to you. Happy Bhogali to the viewers of Northeast Live. Amrita, you can see right now I am in the Chokidingi area where you can see all kind of fishes have been brought in, and these are basically the products from the local fishermen who have been always being guided and aided by the fisheries department, government fisheries department, and they have brought in through self-help groups who are in fact contributing towards the output of local fish. And we have the officials of the fishery department here. They are monitoring the entire situation. They have brought in a proper price mechanism in this regard, and you can see that everything is being sold as per the price mechanism being detected by the fisheries department. So this is quite, I would like to say, in fact, a good systematic approach by the fisheries department, and they have been able to bring in a lot of local fishes here of various variety, and you can see that in fact the kids have also come in. There is quite a bit of enthusiasm among the people all around here, and people in large numbers are coming in to this field. And in fact, Amrita, the main issue is that the department has devised this system only because to ensure that the fishes which come in large numbers from outside do not outsmart the local market. And this is what you can see, that all kind of, these are all fresh fish brought in from various nooks and corners of Dibrugarh district. And there are a lot of people who have come in, poured in fact, with a lot of enthusiasm to purchase the fish. Dara aji bihu ki kobo khuje?
প্ৰথমতে বিহুৰ সকলোকে ভোগালী বিহু শুভেচ্ছা জনাইছোঁ। অসমৰ ৰাইজৰ শান্তি সম্প্ৰীতি সদায় চবেই মিলিজুলি আজি উৰুকাৰ নিশাটো আছে। এতিয়া মাছৰ চাবলৈ আহিছোঁ মাছ
মাছ কি মাছ লগাই
চাওঁ বাহু মাছ ল'লোঁ হৈছে ডাঙৰ 3.5 কিলোটা
আৰু কেনেকুৱা দাম চামবিলাক কেনেকুৱা
দামটো বৰ্তমানটো ঠিক পাইছোঁ মই বেয়া হোৱা নাই।
ফিচাৰিজ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টে দাম চামবিলাক ঠিক কৰি দিছে
ঠিক কৰিছে সেইটো অলপ ৰেহাই পাইছোঁ আৰু অন্ত ৰেহাই পাইছোঁ
So I'd like to interact with one of the seller also. Dada, বাইদেউ আনিছে ন বাইদেউ আপোনালোকৰ এইটো ক'ৰ পৰা
মেছলো ভৰালি পাইছোঁ মেছলো ভৰালি পাইছোঁ
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
হয় টিংখাং আহোঁ মই 5 কুইণ্টেল মান আছোঁ নহয় এইটো মোৰ পাৰ্চনেল হয় দাম পাইছোঁ চৰকাৰে বান্ধি দিয়া ৰেটটো মতে পচন্দ হোৱা নাই বা আমাৰ থলুৱা মানুহবোৰ অকণমান এইকণে মাঘ বিহুৰ দিনাই আমাৰ যিটো দামত আমি বছৰত এদিনে কৰোঁ ন আমাৰ অকণমান চিন্তা কৰিবলৈ আমাৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰি মেলি ৰেটটো বান্ধিব লাগে বুলি ভাবোঁ মানে
ৰেট বান্ধি দিছে এইটো
সন্তুষ্ট হোৱা নাই মানে কষ্টৰ তুলনাত সেয়াই
So Amrita, there are
All right, so that was our colleague Ripunjay Das giving us a mood of what is happening in the markets of Dibrugarh, like other parts of the state where people are thronging the fish markets in large numbers in spite of fishes being sold at exorbitant rates on the eve of Magh Bihu. Today the festivities will start and feasting will start with much fervor and gaiety at night. People are thronging the markets in the morning, right from the wee hours in the morning. In fact, people have been thronging the markets across the state to buy the best fish they could for themselves.